If you have a Windows ISO file and want to find out which edition it contains, you're in the right place. First, double-click the ISO file or right-click on it and choose Mount. This will create a virtual DVD drive in this PC containing the files from the ISO. You can check the drive letter of the mounted DVD, either from the left panel in File Explorer or directly in this PC. Next, open Windows Terminal as administrator and enter the following command. Make sure to replace the drive letter in the command with the actual letter of your mounted drive. For example, if the mounted drive is F, use F / in the command. Now hit enter and you'll see detailed information about the edition inside the ISO file. If it doesn't find the install.wim file, try using install.esd instead. Both commands are available in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.